guys, welcome back. What is going on? How are you guys? Today is Confetti collection day. I got my box. I feel bad for the postal service right now. It's holiday season. They are like jam-packed with people sending stuff and people buying online, and I didn't even get an email that they had sent my box out. Like, it just literally appeared on my doorstep and it was here. So I got it yesterday. Today's Saturday. This is going up today. If you guys don't know what Confetti collection is, it is a bi-monthly subscription box. So I get this every 2 months and I pay $25, and it is basically like a stationary lifestyle box. It brings in all types of cool stuff for the house, to plates, napkins, like pretty straws, notepads, all kinds of different things. I absolutely love this, and it gives me a chance to, whatever I don't use from these boxes, I gift it to other people, whether it be for like birthday gifts, holiday gifts, whatever. It helps me out to not spend that much money. So let's get into it. If this is your first time here, I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a like on this video and go ahead and subscribe if you have Confetti collection, and leave me comments down below what you got for the next 2 months, because I think this is December, January, or it's November, December, something like that. Anyways, so let's open up this baby. I got it yesterday. This is the first time that I did not do a sneak peek, so I just cut it open, and we're gonna find out what's in this box together right now. My first 2 boxes, I did a sneak peek and I couldn't wait and I opened it, but not this one. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna film it in the morning. I worked last night and I worked tonight, so yeah, it's pretty much all wrapped up. This is how it comes with their cute little sticker. So cute. I love the sprinkles on the sticker. So let's get into this. I'm gonna take it out the box. This is how it comes wrapped. This usually comes with a card with like a theme, just like BoxyCharm, and we're gonna find out what's this month's theme. I don't know why I'm being so, oh my gosh, you guys, this is so pretty. I can't. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, so this is Desk to Impress. So this is like, it looks like it's a bunch of stationery for like your vanity, your desk. This is what the card looks like. It says Desk to Impress, so you could dress up your desk and impress, you know. So it's home office, homeschool, work office. Either way, here's a collection of journals, notes, and accessories to help you get organized for whatever comes next. And then it says, we'd love to see your unboxing videos and photos. Use the hashtag Confetti Collection Box when you post them. So I definitely will be doing that. So let's get into this, you guys. It looks like everything is black and white, which I love. Who doesn't love a black and white moment? I don't even know what to like dive into first, but let me break. It's in plastic, so let me break open this plastic. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, this is so stinking cute. Okay, so the first thing we have here is hey, these are I don't know how they find this stuff. These are paper clips with little tassels on it. I live. This is so cute. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to get it out the plastic so we can see it better. Here's what the paper clips look like. Just your regular paper clip, and then they tied tassels around it. That is very unique. I've never seen something like that. And the paper clips are gold, if that matters to you. But yes, so that's the way like it looks, you guys. It's so cute. Oh, and the tassels, like, they feel like leather. They don't even feel cheap. As adorable as this is, I might give this away because I don't use paper clips, so I might give that away. See what I mean? Man, oh man. Okay, next is a bookmark with a little fuzzy ball on it. This I could use because I'm trying to get back into my reading, you guys. I used to read all the freaking time, and now it's like, no, it's not happening, and I'm trying to get back into it. So it's very flexible, that fake type of faux leather type with kind of like a crocodile print on it, or like snake print if you will. Very pretty. It says everyone looks better with a book in their hands. Amen. And this is called, it's by a company called Pom Pom Bookmark, CR Gibson. Like you can literally, if you're not with this, I can literally just take this off and use it on my keychain or for something else. But this is totally cute. I would definitely put this into use. And then I have no idea. Oh, this is so cute. We have a, I want to say like a pencil. Yeah, it's a oh, it comes with 2 pencils. Let's open this up. This is cute. This is blue and white, and it's got like the blue lining. That is cute. Now I will say, obviously this bag is, it does feel a little cheap, like the material, but this is super cute. It's called it just says Flourish, and it's by CR Gibson. So I guess they chose like, yeah, one specific brand and put it in here. So let's see what the pencils look like. Oh, okay, the pencils are freaking cute. Yes, pencils are cute. Look, how cute is that? This one is it has floral prints on it. And then and don't think I don't use pencils. I use pencils, y'all. I love these funky little pencils that come in different colors, and then the bottoms are different colors. I have a couple that are like, the inside of the wood is like green, purple, stuff like that. So I will definitely use the pencils. That is super cute. I'm down with that. I'm not sure about the pouch. I might give that away, but who knows. The next thing we got is a notepad caddy, and this brings 100 sheets. I definitely use notepads. You guys, with age comes forgetfulness, and lately I just don't retain information the way I used to, or maybe I'm just too selective with the information that I want to retain. But literally with like everything, I use sticky notes, notepads, a list. Like I use them all to remember what I have to buy, to remember what I'm doing, my lineup for videos, ideas, like everything. So I will definitely use this because I'm almost done with one of my notepads anyways. And on the bottom it says ciao. I like that this is in an actual like case, and I can totally like reuse this case because it feels sturdy and hard, like a good, you know, solid wood in here. And I like how they just laminated it with the black. So I'm down with this. I would definitely use this and keep this. The next thing is, this is pretty. It's got like it's a notepad. Oh, I love this. I love the print on this. It's like a marble print. And this is Paper Goods, also by CR Gibson. And this is just pretty. Notepads I definitely use and I don't get enough of. I love them. And then it's tied around here. Sometimes they say how many pages come in this, but the print inside is also like, it's like an orangey marble. Don't know if we're gonna see that with all my lighting, but it's like an orangey marble. How I love that. I love this. So pretty. Okay, and then the next thing we have, these are sassy and classy 10 envelopes and thank you cards. I should use these more, especially with you guys, and just sending out thank you cards to people who are just generous and amazing. And maybe this will help me do that. Maybe I could do that for like a New Year's resolution where I give thanks more than, you know, than normal. So, but this is pretty. I like that. I think it has 3 different ones because in the back it says bonjour, and then the other one says love ya, and then the heart one. This is super cute. Okay, let's open it and check. Wow, this one came with a lot of stationery. I love this. Okay, so this is what the card looks like. Super pretty, super cute. And it's empty inside. You can write whatever. This is what the envelope looks like in the back. Super classic. I love the black frame around it. It just makes it look super classy. I love it. Yes, it does come with different cards. I love it. The love ya, and then it has the other one as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make that as a resolution for next year, you guys. Like, I don't want to do the same shit, like try to lose weight, even though I need to, or like stop shopping and stuff like that, even though I need to. But I want to try to do new things but incorporate old ones, but just maybe focus on some new ones for next year. And the bonjour, isn't that cute? I Love this. This is a really good box. I'm excited over this box. I think I could keep most of this. My last 2 boxes, I gave away most of the stuff inside because I knew personally that I wasn't going to use it. And it really helped me out with like a really nice birthday gift for my BFF. So, and then my last box, I got a bunch of like office stuff in it. Obviously, I don't have an office, but one of my cousins does, so I'm gonna send her some of that stuff for her office. Next thing that we have is, what is this? A foil stamped zipper journal, and this is heavy. This is nice. This has got like a thick padding. It's got the tassels. It's got a zipper on it. The lining of it is pink. This is freaking cute. It's got a bee on the front. Oh my goodness. It's got a lot of paper in here. Oh, and it's got like little pocket holder thingies here. You can hold some stuff in there. So I am down with this, you guys. This is so cute. And then, oh, and if I didn't show you, but like the pages have honeycombs imprinted on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it is super cute. I love how they just think of like the down to the last detail. Super, super cute. And then we have another notebook. So I think we have a notebook journal, or like just a difference. Okay, we have 2 different notebooks, and then that one was a journal. Okay, not bad. I can gift one of these, but this is really, really cute. This is Sleek and Chic notebook, and it is white and gold. I know I'm not going to use this because I personally, I don't like notebooks that have rings on it. It's just a pain in the ass, you guys. I'm sorry. But I would definitely, yeah, gift this. It's got gray stripes on the inside, and it's just got lined paper. Really, really cute. Yeah, I would definitely gift this as well. Especially the fact that it has the spiral rings on it. That is just not my cup of tea. That's not my vibe. I hate it. So I would definitely give this away. So how many things we got in this month's box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items, you guys, for $25. They don't give you like the value of any of this. So I have no value. So you could just kind of, you know, kind of give or take what type of value it is just by how it looks and things of that sort. Okay, I will put that back in the paper later. But yeah, you guys, that is my box for, I'm going to say November and December from Confetti Collection. So I'm probably going to keep most of this, but there's a few things that I'm definitely going to give away to some people that I know will put to use, so it doesn't go to waste. But I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in a couple of days. Please be safe out there. Stay kind. I love you.